In a world that moves faster every day, there are still spaces that invite us to slow down, breathe deeper, and reconnect with something more grounded and human. A place where texture matters, where light feels intentional, and where every detail tells a quiet story of care, craft, and comfort. This is a transformation born from simplicity and soul. A space once overlooked is now reimagined into a warm, inviting sanctuary where natural materials and thoughtful design come together in perfect harmony. Soft woven textures meet clean architectural lines, creating a balance between structure and softness, between modern clarity and timeless artistry. The atmosphere feels effortless, yet deeply intentional. Every element is chosen not just for appearance, but for how it contributes to a feeling: calm, warmth, belonging. The walls breathe with handcrafted detail, adding depth and character that cannot be replicated by machines. Light filters gently through open space, shifting throughout the day, and painting the room in ever-changing moods of gold, cream, and shadow. There is a quiet richness in the layering of materials. Organic fibers, natural woods, and earthy tones come together like a visual symphony. Nothing feels forced, nothing feels excessive. Instead, everything feels placed with care, as if the space itself understands the rhythm of rest and renewal. Plants bring life into the environment, softening corners and adding a sense of movement. Their presence reminds us of nature's calm persistence, how it grows slowly but surely, always reaching toward light. In this space, nature is not an accessory, it is a foundation. The design speaks in whispers rather than statements. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it. Each corner offers a moment of pause, a place to sit, reflect, and simply be. Comfort is not an afterthought here, it is the essence of everything. As you move through the space, you begin to notice how it responds to emotion. It feels different in the morning light, fresh, open, and full of possibility. By evening, it becomes warm and intimate, wrapping around you like a quiet embrace. Time seems to slow down within its walls. This is more than just a visual experience. It is a feeling of balance between the handmade and the refined, between nature and structure, between simplicity and quiet luxury. It is proof that beauty doesn't need to shout to be powerful. In the end, what remains is not just a beautifully designed environment, but a sense of peace, a reminder that true comfort comes from connection to materials, to light, to space, and ultimately to ourselves.